Hey folks, Captain Mike here again, sitting here with our Hogy tuna system crate, and today I would just like to take a deep dive on the Hogy Harness Jig. Now these are my actual baits I filmed with last season. I like to keep my soft baits in a size large roll-up jig bag, keeps the tails nice and straight. Now if these look like they've seen a couple of fish, they have, but like everything we do at Hogy, simple, everything revolves around my mesh crate. These are my actual lures. So let's walk through the Hogy Harness Jig from stem to stern. Number one, you're going to notice the premium grade ball bearing swivel molded right in the head. Direct connect to this lure, you'll be good to go. Number two, you're going to notice that each Hogy Harness Jig is airbrushed in highly imitative finishes. Now why is this important? Well, oftentimes you're slow jigging with tuna grade soft baits, and with the slow motions and the keen eyesight of a tuna, it's going to get a good look on this bait. If tuna are in finicky mode, which often they are, this is going to be to your advantage. Now, number three, and perhaps the most important if you're targeting very large tuna, is the semi-stiff rig that's engineered inside this bait. On the front end, it's what we call semi-stiff. It's going to offer just enough rigidity to articulate for an ideal hook set on a tuna with this 6X strong, crazy sharp hook. But it's also flexible enough that when a tuna makes a very big and strong run, it's not going to get any torque on your bait, especially combined with this ball bearing swivel. Now this bait I'm going to call 6X strong. You can stop a bus, and it's your go-to tuna soft bait when they're keyed in on sand eels. My favorite video we filmed with the Hogy Harness Jig was a search and drop video we filmed a couple years ago. We were idling along, marked a couple of tuna on the bottom, grubbing on sand eels, put the brakes on, sent these down. A couple of slow jigs later, boom, we were tight. It's a big fish, heavy duty gear, and like a heavy duty lure. We got the job done, and we even had a healthy release.